Hi, let me show you how easy it is to get you started with Pindot.com on your hotels or any restaurants and resorts. First, you need to create an account and then log in to Pindot.ph. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented in this dashboard. You can go to rooms, and then once you have your room, you can just rename it on whatever rooms you have. There's QRs for rooms. There's also the link to it directly for the guests to scan. So if you go to departments, these are the available receivers for all your rooms. So, for example, this front desks. So the room or the checked-in guest scans the QR. They'll be presented with this view, and the front desk will be presented with the other view. Once they call the live front desk, you can also mark as do not disturb, but you can see if the front desk are ready for calling. So once you call the front desk, they'll be automatically receive a notification that the room is currently calling them, and you can answer or decline. And once they answer, you'll have a one-on-one call directly from the front desk to
Hello,
your room,
I'm connected.
asking for help, asking for anything. You can enable video from both ends. You can disable video naturally for privacy. But here's how you get a full end-to-end working kiosk right at your fingertips for free.